Hey guys, it's Levi, and this is going to be a fun walkthrough video because this is where you start gaining some traffic. And this is one of my favorite methods to do so. It's called silo structuring. Okay? And I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do this in a couple different ways. So stick with me. If you have your affiliate marketing crash course on hand, open it up and open up to the part where it talks about silo structuring your website. I believe it's step 6. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need to do or want to do is download Keywords Everywhere. Okay, so just type in Keywords Everywhere or keywordseverywhere.com. This is a free resource and it's really cool, and I'm going to show you exactly how. So all you have to do is whichever you have. If you have Firefox or Chrome, I'm using it on Chrome right now. Just click that, and I think it asks you for an email verification, and then that's it, and then you'll get this little thing right here. Let me pull this up a little bit. Okay, you should be able to see now. There's this little blue circle with a K in it. That is the Keywords Everywhere icon. Alright, so once you have that downloaded, you can pause this for right now and just like get all that set up, and then once you have it downloaded, unpause me and let's keep going. Okay, so once that's finished, here's what you're going to do next. Okay, so let's say for instance you are you want to do like an affiliate, let's just say an affiliate crash course like I created. You want to do something like that. You want to see this, so this is where you can do anything. Okay, this is where we're diving into the keywords of your niche. Alright, but just for the sake of this, let's just say I want to research affiliate marketing courses and see what the competition out there is. Okay, so all I'm going to do is type in affiliate marketing courses, and this is really cool. Now watch what pops up. So Keywords Everywhere is going to pop this up right here. So these are very important keywords that are coming up here. So what is affiliate marketing? It'll tell you the volume of people who are searching. 4,400 people. That's a lot of people. Cost per click, excuse me, and competition. Alright, so you can kind of go through this and see what's popular, and you can type in different things and see what's coming up. Personally, I'll take the most high volume keywords first. Okay, but let's just say for the sake of this, let's stop that thought for a second, and let's type in something. You know what? We're already on this page. Let's keep with it. So let's just say these are all obviously ranking very highly. So I'm gonna just pick one of these. Okay, this one looks good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna copy this URL, and I'm going to open up another program called Semrush. And Semrush is something I've recently gotten really into and I really like. This is a paid program. I think it's like $35 or $40 a month, but it's totally worth it, especially when you're getting into this stuff. So watch what happens here. I'm not logged in, but it should still let me. Yeah. Semrush is going to let you have a little bit more depth to your keyword research, and that's why I really like it. So what's going to come up here is that website that I just copy and pasted into here. It's coming up in the first, second, third position of Google for certain keywords, and what Semrush allows me to do is actually see what those keywords are. This is super important because if I was going to go after particular keywords, I could see what my competition is, where they're ranking, and figure out exactly what I have to do to kind of beat them out. Okay, because I can actually use like tools like Majestic to plug this exact same URL in and see how many backlinks they have. Now I know exactly how many backlinks I need to kind of beat them out, how much traffic I need to kind of garner, because it'll actually tell you on here how much traffic they're getting too, which is really cool. So their organic search is 102. Backlinks. Oh, I didn't even realize this actually, but yeah, it actually tells you how many backlinks they have as well. So you actually don't even need Majestic, which is $100 a month. So for this part, yeah, all you need is this. That's awesome. I never noticed that before. So yeah, it really breaks it down for you. So now you could actually go back into keywords everywhere. Let's go back to Google and let's just type in CPA marketing training. Okay. And let's see what pops up. Okay. So you type in CPA marketing training, and this is what people are also searching for. ClickBank, affiliate marketing, max bounty, what is a CPA network? This is really, really valuable information. Because now what you can do is, let's say you're tailoring your entire affiliate crash course or whatever you're making. Let's just say you're making CPA marketing training guide. Okay. Now what you can do is actually start silo structuring. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Give me 1 second. First and foremost, I'm going to actually draw this out for you. All right. So first and foremost, I'm going to put this in boxes. Let's say you wanted to take that particular keyword, the CPA marketing training. You wanted to take that keyword, and then you also wanted to rank for some of these other keywords in here, some of the more popular ones, or try to rank for those. What you're going to do is kind of list these out. And just hang in there with me while I kind of write some of these down. Okay. So now we have some awesome keywords. So what I did here is, you'll understand this a little bit better in a minute. And hopefully you can see this. So at the very top it says home, and then it says CPA marketing training, which is what we just typed in, and then ClickBank, and then affiliate marketing, which are the top two other keywords. And the reason I picked those is because it has such a high search volume. So there's a lot of people searching for those. Okay. So those are going to be our three main keywords, because those are pretty powerful ones. I won't really do any more than that, but what I will do is grab Longtail Keywords. Longtail keywords are a little bit different because they're more complex. So they're not going to have 50,000 people searching for them. They might have like 100 to 200 people or 300 people searching for them, but it's very, very niche specific, okay? And for that, I actually use this program called Longtail Pro. Okay, you're going to see this in the guide. All you have to do is click on it and it will open it up and you can download it. It's really cheap. I think this one's like $40, just a one-time payment. So it's kind of a one and done deal. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this, I'm going to copy this CPA marketing training, and I'm going to plug it into Longtail Pro. Okay, and let's see what comes up. I don't know why it's saying that. I think it just needs a couple more keywords. Okay, sorry guys, I had to pause for a second and figure this out. For whatever reason, it wasn't working for a second, but now it is. So let's get back to this. So now the seed keyword that I typed in is going to be CPA marketing training, and we're going to see what comes up. And what it's going to do is give me a list of Longtail keywords. Okay. My computer's running amazingly slow. So I'm going to kind of continue to fill this in while this is loading, so just bear with me again. If it ever loads, which I hope it does. But we'll come back to that, okay? So just for the sake of this, I'm going to kind of fill this in for you and just kind of explain to you what this does. I don't want my slow computer to kind of ruin the experience for you. So now that I typed in that particular keyword, it's going to pull up basically a database of everything that is comparable, like what other people are searching for in Google. Kind of how Keywords Everywhere does. It kind of does the same thing. What's different though is you can actually click each individual Longtail keyword to dig deeper into variations of those keywords to find more niche specific keywords, okay? So with that said, and kind of with the explanation of what this does, I'm gonna just kind of fill this in with some kind of made up keywords that I think might associate well. So and I'm just going to pause this one more time to finish this up. Hang on, guys. Okay, unpaused. So now that it's finally loaded, you're going to see all of the different keywords that came up associated with CPA marketing training. Okay, so these are some of the variations. So let's say, for instance, I like this one. What I'm going to do is click this right here. It's going to pull up 20 more keywords associated with this particular keyword. Okay, and what we're getting into then is what's called long-tail keywording. All right, and hopefully it actually loads. But even if it doesn't, you kind of get the gist of this now. Okay, and what's cool is it'll actually even like tell you if it's like a good keyword. Like if it's green like this, that means yeah, you wanna play with that one a little bit and dig a little bit deeper and maybe use that one. So this is kind of what it explains right here. It's kind of cool. It like gauges it for you. So it's intuitive, which I love. All right. So let's see. Let me grab one more of these. And I'll show you what you've been waiting for. I'm sure pretty much this whole time. I'm going to show you exactly what silo structuring is. So this is it. This is a silo structure. If you want to take a screenshot of that real quick. Okay. So at the very top it says home. That's going to be your home page of your website, and then what it's doing is actually flowing from page to page. So why would it flow from page to page? I'm going to get into that. Actually, I'm going to make another video right after this where I actually show you exactly what to do next and explain a little bit more to you via what's going on in the affiliate marketing crash course. So read that, read the next steps, and I'm actually going to make another video and kind of explain what to do next, okay?